Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD. If you want to use voice command on your phone, enabling Google Assistant is one of the best options. It allows you to control Android phone with your voice, search information, open apps, set alarms, send messages and much more. In this guide, I will explain in a simple way to how you can enable Google Assistant on any Android phone. First, make sure your phone has the Google app installed and updated. Google Assistant works through the Google app, so it's important to keep it updated from Google Play Store. If the app is outdated, some feature may not work properly. Now open the Google app on your Android phone. In the top right corner, tap on your profile picture or the More option. Then go to Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for Google Assistant option and tap it on. After opening Google Assistant settings, then click Lock Screen. Click Yes, I am in. Then enable this option. Go to Voice Match. Turn on the Hey Google option and follow the instruction on the screen. Click More. Then click I agree. OK Google, help me write a thank you note. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Hey Google, explain how to rainbow is format. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Click Done. After completing the setup, you can use Google Assistant anytime. Just say Hey Google or OK Google and your phone will be listening to your command. You can ask question, check the weather, set timer, play music or even control smart device.
Hey Google, open Gmail app. Hey Google, what time is it?
4:21 p.m.
If Google Assistant is not working on your phone, make sure your device language is supported and that the Google app has microphone permission. You can check this in your phone. App permission settings also ensure your internet connection is activated because Google Assistant needs internet to process most commands. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.